Hey everyone, this should be a fairly quick video today, but I wanted to show you this gutter repair. So the gutter had come loose from the house because all the spikes had come loose for about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10 of these gutter pegs. So I just kind of stuck the nails back in the holes. But this is the kind of thing that drives me nuts. Why what should be a quick and simple job takes forever. It's because someone put this particular gutter spike. It used to be, I don't even see a hole for it in the fascia. They knocked it through the top here, but then they actually put the spike through down here where it's gonna get full of water and let water into the house. So I'm gonna have to patch that with silicone, patch that with silicone. I kind of already banged it flat as best as I could, and then I'll actually rehang it, and I'll rehang it with gutter screws rather than nails. I find that they hold a lot better. So let me patch this hole up, and I'm gonna patch. It looks like they re-entered to try to fix something here. I'll patch those up and I'll be back. Alright, we got some silicone on this one and this one. Some silicone on the fascia. And I put some behind this blue tape. I put the blue tape there. Originally I was just gonna put the gutter up when I didn't want them to stick together, but I think I'm actually gonna let this set, probably put another coat on it so it doesn't pop out. And so yeah, this project's gonna be on hold, and it's gonna rain a little bit, unfortunately, but these are the gutter screws I'm gonna use. I find that you can put these into the existing holes and they bite a lot better than the nails did. So I guess that's going to be it for the moment. Alright, we are back to finish fixing the gutter. I think I showed you this before, but I'm going to be using these gutter screws. And goes like this. And they find these are much better replacements for the nails. So let me take you up real quick and I'll show you the patching we did with So there is our silicone patch there, and it's got a nice big blob on the back. I don't know if you can see that with the light. And also did this one over here. And same thing, patched in the back. And I patched the extra hole here and the hole that was behind this piece of tape. So we're just going to pull out these spikes. Take a screw. And these are a bit bigger. Put my drill on it. And we're going to go through the same hole in the wall. And it grips, just like I hoped. So now we're just going to go down the line and replace all of these nails with screws. It'll be too easy. It'll be much easier for me with two hands. That one didn't grip. So that one I will have to make a new hole for. So what we'll do is we will kick the screw over about 3/4 of an inch. Back and patch that hole. See if we can be sketchy and reach the other one. Without having to get the ladder. No. That is too sketchy. I'm going to get the tall ladder for that one. I'll leave a screw with it. Alright, we're doing pretty good. Only one that didn't want to hold. That one doesn't actually want to come out. But it's not holding in the wall. See if we can persuade it out. feels like there's a gap in the fascia or something. Where it's rotted? Could be rotted. Oh, don't really want to put another hole in it, but that's what we're gonna do. Alright, I have some holes to patch and I need more screws. This one, it was driven down through there. There was an existing hole up there. I tried putting a new one in there. Didn't bite, so I put it there. This one also has two mount holes. Oh, there's another one with a couple mount holes. Yeah, this gutter was rehung at one point. But from here on down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9th one that I got to put in down there. That's how many screws I had. But this side's still a little loose. So I need to get some more screws, and I'll put at least one here and there. Maybe not the rest of them, we'll see. I gotta put the one on the very end. And I guess I gotta patch all these holes. So I think that'll cover it for this video though. So thanks for watching, everyone.